In this video, I will show you how you can change the default search engine of Safari on any iPad. Now, if you search anything in Safari, you will notice that it is using Google search engine as the default search engine. But if you want to change it, just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for Safari. Now, after you find Safari, then just tap on it. Now, under the search section, you will find the option for search engine. Now, just tap on search engine. As you can see, it is on Google by default, but you can select any of the other options from here. For example, I will select Bing. And after you select Bing, you will change the default search engine of Safari from Google to Bing. Now, if I go back to Safari, now let's search something else. You will notice that we have changed the default search engine from Google to Microsoft Bing. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.